If you have ever had kidney stones, you know how painful it can be. But you know what is worse than that pain? The myths and misunderstanding around kidney stones. किसी ने कहा दही मत खाओ, किसी ने कहा लेमन से स्टोन डिज़ोल्व होता है, एंड किसी ने तो भिंडी और टमाटो को ही विलन बना दिया. बट वॉट इज़ एग्जैक्टली ट्रूथ एंड वॉट इज़ जस्ट व्हाट्सएप ज्ञान? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इन टुडेज वीडियो. Hi, I'm Kinjal, a qualified nutritionist and a lifestyle coach. And today we are going to bust some most common kidney stone myths using science-backed facts, explained in a way that actually makes sense. See, kidney stones are crystal-like formation that happen when your urine contains too many wastes like calcium, oxalate or uric acid and not enough water to dilute them. जब यूरिन ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होता है तब इन वेस्ट के क्रिस्टल्स बन जाते हैं जो ग्रेजुअली बड़े होकर स्टोन्स बनते हैं. They can be tiny like grains of sand or as big as to block the urinary tract. So let's bust some most common myths. First is milk causes kidney stones. But the truth is, yes, of course, most stones are made up of calcium oxalate, but calcium from food like milk or curd actually binds with oxalate in your intestine, and that is how it reduces the amount of oxalate getting absorbed into the bloodstream. Research suggests that low dietary intake of calcium increases the risk of kidney stones, while 1000 to 1200 mg of calcium per day from food helps prevent the stone formation. So milk, curd, paneer in moderate quantity is not just safe but protective. Second myth, those who don't drink enough water can get stones. Yes, of course, dehydration is a major factor, but it is not the only factor to cause kidney stones. Other major contributors are high sodium intake or animal protein which increases calcium and uric acid in the urine. मतलब अगर आप इनफ पानी पी रहे हो पर फिर भी साथ में आपकी डाइट हाई सॉल्ट है जिसमें ज़्यादा नमकीन्स एंड फरसान, चिप्स एंड ऑल, रेड मीट, प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स, ये सब है, तो स्टिल यू आर एट रिस्क ऑफ डेवलपिंग किडनी स्टोन्स. So how do you check if you are dehydrated or no? There are two tests. Number one, the skin test. You have to pinch your skin like this, and if it goes down really smooth, well and quickly, you are well hydrated. If it takes little time, that means you have dehydration. Secondly, of course, you have to check your urine color. You have to aim for a light yellow urine. और हाँ, सिर्फ रोटी या चावल में कम नमक डालने से काम नहीं चलेगा. You have to also look at your intake of farsan, pickles, papad and processed foods. Third myth, lemon water will melt your kidney stones instantly. The truth is, yes, lemon contains citric acid which prevents crystal formation, but this is a preventive action and not a treatment measure. The fact over here is 60 to 70 milliequivalents of citric acid per day may prevent the recurrence of stone, but it is not a quick remedy for dissolving the large existing stone in your kidney. Taking lemon water is a healthy habit, but अगर stone already बना हुआ है kidneys में, तो proper diagnosis and treatment is important. Myth number 4, don't eat tomatoes and okra when you have kidney stones, because उनके seeds जो है वो kidney stone create करते हैं. So here's the truth. Tomatoes and okra, that is bhindi, do contain some amount of oxalate, and oxalate can contribute to stone formation, but that is not the only risk factor. If some other multiple risk factors like low calcium intake, poor hydration and genetic predisposition are already present. Science says that oxalates do contribute only when they accumulate excessively. A normal balanced diet with enough water and calcium will not cause stones by just eating tomatoes and okra. So don't ban them completely. Of course, you can always eat them in moderation. Myth number 4, If I had a stone in past, I will definitely get another in future. The recurrence rate is 50% over 5 years without lifestyle change, and the number drops drastically when people adapt healthy lifestyle, diet and hydration habits. You can get your stones analyzed to understand its type and adjust your diet accordingly. For example, if it is a calcium oxalate stone, you know you have to restrict the oxalate rich foods in your diet. Myth number 5. I will always feel it when I have kidney stones. The truth is, many stones are asymptomatic, especially when it is small in size and not obstructing the urinary tract. कई लोगों को ये पता भी नहीं चलता कि उनको stones है unless they get a scan done for something else. And that is why we always focus on a regular checkup, especially if you have family history. Let's now look at what to eat and what to avoid to prevent kidney stones and help pass the small ones if you already have. Number 1, stay hydrated. Drink enough water to produce at least 2.5 liters of urine every day. Aim for at least 3 to 3.5 liters of water and more if you sweat. Number 2, limit salt. Too much of salt increases calcium in your urine, and to avoid, try and keep your papad, pickle, chutneys, farsan, namkeens, chips, packaged products to as minimum as possible. Do not restrict dietary calcium. Dairy calcium helps reduce oxalate absorption. Include milk, curd, paneer in moderation and avoid supplementation unless you are prescribed. Take high oxalate foods in less quantity. Foods like spinach, beetroot, almonds and your favorite chai are all high in oxalate. Pair them with calcium rich foods like your palak paneer. Limit animal protein like your red meat, processed meat and organ meats. Include more dals, tofu or sprouts. Number 6 is add natural citrate. So you can include lemon, fruits like oranges, tangerine, your malta, guava. All these are helpful because they are high in citric acid, that is vitamin C. Reduce sugar and soda. Sugary drinks increases stone risk, especially cola and high fructose corn syrup. You can switch to plain water, infused water or herbal teas. Managing kidney stones is not just about managing pain, it's about understanding your body, your daily food choices and your diet. और सबसे best part ये है कि lifestyle changes से आप इनको prevent भी कर सकते हो. If you found this video interesting and helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs this information and subscribe for more science-backed health and nutrition content. Till then, stay hydrated, eat smart and I will see you in the next video.